Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shohini Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to swatch 5 nude brown lipstick and that's going to complement all of you. Yes, it is Indian skin friendly and I know this formula is going to be really great for this festive season. You can use a lip liner if you want to, and I've kept it 4 matte and 1 glossy because I prefer matte a lot and I know a lot of you prefer matte a lot, so I've kept it 4 matte and 1 glossy for you guys. And yes, as I said, if you want you can use a lip liner. I'm not going to use any lip liner, but I'm going to directly apply them on my lips and share my thoughts. So let's begin. If you want to know which lip shade I was wearing Sabyasachi lip shade in the shade Pamela Rose and with a darker brown lip liner. Let's start with the glossy one first. This is the Mars Click Stick Gloss Lip Balm. This is a very chic color. I absolutely love the color. Now this is like a very nice rich lip balm with a lot of pigment in it. So if you have very dry lips, please avoid matte lip shade. This one is going to look really nice. So what you have to do is click few times and then the lipstick comes out, and here's the shade. It's like a very pigmented lip balm. So the shade I'm swatching is Cinnamon Swirl 05. It glides on beautifully and this is how the shade looks like. Absolutely stunning. And if you still think this is pale, you can definitely use a lip liner, darker brown shade, and this is going to hydrate your lips throughout the day. Next is this one from Blue Heaven. This is the Blue Heaven Velvet Cream Lipstick. The shade is Cocoa Love. The formula of this is very smooth, very comfortable. It does not feel heavy at all, and from the price you're getting so many shades from this range, and also this shade is literally so stunning. You can wear it with and without makeup, and I really like this because it has that tin of little redness to it which looks absolutely perfect. Moving on, I have a lip shade from My Hues. This is in the shade Seher 09. This is a very long lasting lipstick. Look at the shade. It's so beautiful and so soft brown. I really like this, and also you can get so many shades from My Hues. It's an Indian brand, by the way, and it's by Shalini Srivastavadi, and I really like the formula as it's very comfortable and super lightweight on the lips. Next is the Love Child Masaba Matte Liquid Lipstick. The shade I'm swatching here is It Fits. Now look at this shade. This one has little bit of brown mauvey shade in it and it's just very stunning. It's going to complement a lot of makeup look you're gonna wear. Lastly, how can I not talk about the Mars Matte Mousse lipstick? This is in the shade 04 called Trendsetter. The formula is very moussey. It just feels like a velvet lipstick. This is a very stunning shade. I've talked about this previously many times and I think you should definitely own this one, or if you want a very nice pinkish nude, you can go for the shade 03, which is Queen. So these were my top 5 favorite brown nude lipsticks that I wanted to suggest you. I'm going to leave all the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. Also, before going, do subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and also comment down below which shade did you like the most. So I will see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care and I love you all.